Why you should learn. Microsoft Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI.
Not getting enough results, even after so much of efforts? Not able to take decision, using current reports? Don't have automation experts, to improve the company productivity? Do you feel frustrated, when not getting recognition and growth in your career? Do you hesitate to accept tasks or don't have enough confidence? Every company is moving toward digitalization, now they need a reporting tool, which help to take right decision. Also, they need an experts, who is well versed with reporting tool, to produce reports and dashboard for right decision making. Microsoft Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI are the leading Microsoft application in the market, which helps to improve the process, also for right decision making. Become an expert in Microsoft Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI with our best online courses, with certification. Microsoft Excel, Basic to Advanced Pro level. It has 18+ hours video content, and free practice material. VBA Macro, for automation. It has 15+ hours video content, and free practice material. Power BI, with dynamic dashboard. It has 15+ hours video content, and free practice material. It is one-time purchase. Lifetime free. Affordable price. Learn to leverage the power of Microsoft products. Our courses cater to all reporting requirement. Prepare stunning visuals and dynamic dashboard to impress stakeholders. With the clear data structure, and dynamic dashboard, will help for right decision making. You can eliminate manual, repetitive and non-value added work, from the process through automation. Improves the productivity of your company, by saving 1,000+ hours with the click of a button, using VBA Macro and Power BI. It will completely change the way you work today. It will improve the performance of your company, also gives better growth for the employees. Project yourself better than senior in the organization. Why still need to wait? Try it now. Discover how you can increase each employee's productivity every month for less than a price of a cup of coffee.